Hi guys, welcome to today's session. So as I told you that I'll be on leave for a few days, right? So we are not having the live classes here, but I did not want you guys to miss on the reasoning section, right? We need to practice because LIC में भी ज़्यादा time नहीं है, right? So we will be practicing for the remaining days as well. So that is why we will be having the recorded class here. But again, guys, before starting off, there is a very small request to everybody, that is, please share the stream once with your friends so that they know that yes, we are having the session in here. ठीक है, तो जल्दी से सबके साथ share कर दो session को. And also I hope that you have liked the session, तो please session को like कर देना. ठीक है, तो चलो हम आज कुछ questions देखेंगे फिर से. Now what you need to do is, because this is a recorded session, ठीक है, तो मैं question देने के बाद ज्यादा wait तो नहीं करूंगी यहाँ पर. So what I'll do here is that I'll explain the question. But question जब आपको दिखता है, you have to stop that particular video, you have to solve the question yourself, and then you have to see whether you were able to solve the question right or not. ठीक है, तो please pause the video, solve the question yourself, and then check from the video whether you got the right answer. ठीक है, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. बट बिफोर दैट आई होप दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड द ऐप फॉर ऑलिव बोर्ड. नहीं किया है तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे रखा है, प्लीज डाउनलोड द ऐप. And also, I hope that everybody here has subscribed to the official channel of Olive Board. If you have not subscribed as of yet, you are missing out on a lot. So to keep yourself updated with all the latest content, download the app as well as subscribe to the official channel of Olive Board on YouTube. Okay? And I hope everybody is aware of this particular selection batch, the foundation batch that your three mentors have started, right? So शपथ है सिलेक्शन लेने की, ये आपको शपथ लेनी है कि ये साल तो हम सिलेक्शन लेके रहेंगे, right? So you have to take an oath that yes, this is the year where we are going to fulfill our dreams. So we have a particular basic batch, foundation batch for you guys on YouTube. Absolutely great content. Do check it out daily, 10 a.m. on 9 a.m. onwards. Sorry, 9 a.m. onwards, 9 to 12. You will be having these sessions. 9 a.m. Sabha ma'am, then 10 a.m. Vidhu sir, and your 11 a.m. will be taken by Vivek sir here. So do check it out, guys. ठीक है, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का session. Let's have a look at the first question. So first question is there on your screen. Now what you guys need to do here is please just pause the video here. ठीक है, तो वीडियो को पॉज करो एंड चेक वेदर यू गॉट द राइट आंसर और नॉट. तो मैं अब इसको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. आई होप यू हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन आफ्टर पॉजिंग इट. ठीक है, तो पॉज करिए, चेक करिए वेदर यू आर गेटिंग द राइट आंसर. ठीक है, सो चलो लेट्स क्विकली चेक इट आउट. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन हैज टू बी डन हियर. So 7 persons are born in different years, right? So you can see we have been given 1967, 1973, 1977, then 1979, 1986, 1989, and 1991, right? So these are the years which have been given to us. ठीक है, इस तरह के कुछ years दे रखे. So let's quickly make the table. We'll see what has been given after that. ठीक है, तो ये आपके year दे रखे हैं. Now, no two persons were born in the same year. Each of them are liking a different car here. Now, their age has to be calculated as per 2019. ठीक है, 2019 के basis पे calculate करना है. Now, it is given if A was born immediately before or immediately after B, means then the age difference between them has to be of 2 years, right? So, उनके बीच का जो age difference है ना, उनके बीच में 2 years का difference होना चाहिए. तो कहां पर 2 years का डिफरेंस है? यू कैन सी 89 एंड 91, दैट्स अ गैप ऑफ 2 years. 86 and 89, no, that's 3 years. 79, 86, no, but 77 and 79, yes. 73 and 77, no. 67 and 73, no. So you can see there are only two possibilities. If let's say if we have been given that A is immediately born before B, so we have only two possibilities here, either 77 79 or 89 91. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं यहाँ पर क्या दे रखा है. शुड वी मेक द एज कैलकुलेशन हियर? यू कैन सी ऑल द हिंट्स, दे आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट सीक्वेंस हियर. इमीडिएटली आफ्टर, एट अ गैप ऑफ 2, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस है, इस तरह के हिंट्स है. दे हैव नॉट डन एनी कैलकुलेशन हियर. कैलकुलेशन है ही नहीं, ऐसा तो कुछ दे नहीं रखा है कि ये 10 साल बड़ा है, ये उसका ट्वाइस है, इसका थ्राइस है, इन दोनों का सम इसके बराबर है. So you can see we have not utilized any of those hints here. So that means you don't need to make the age calculation. Why waste your time in calculating the age? So let's see. It is given M was born immediately before the one who likes Fiat. Two persons are born between M and the one who likes Audi. right? So let's check it out. What are the possibilities here? Okay, so let's check. It is given M who was born immediately before the one who likes Fiat. So you can see M Fiat can be like this. Okay, this is a possibility, and M Fiat can be like this. Why? Because it has been given that that this person, that is in the note it is given, if somebody is born immediately before or immediately after, that means there has to be an age gap of 2 years. Okay, so M Fiat will be like this. Now it is given we have two persons between M and Audi. So 1 2, this will be your Audi here. Okay, 1 2, Audi आपका यहाँ पर आएगा. Okay, in this case 1 2 Audi will be here. So you can see these are the two possibilities. Now it is given P was born immediately after the one who likes Audi. So you can see P has to be immediately after Audi. Similarly here also immediately after Audi. You can see there is a gap of 2 years in both the cases. No issues. Okay. Now it is given number of persons who were born after P is 1 less than number of persons who were born before the one who likes Tata. So you can see number of persons after P is 1 less than that before Tata. So in the first case, if we have 0 persons after P, that means we should have 1 person before Tata. So this will be your Tata. In this case, if we have 1, 2, 3, 3 persons after P, so we should have 4 persons before Tata. So 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be your Tata here. Okay. Now what is given? Q is younger than the one who likes BMW. P likes either BMW or Hyundai, right? So P has to be either BMW और Hyundai. ठीक है, ये दे रखा है यहाँ पर. यहाँ भी लिख लेते हैं, let's say BMW और Hyundai. ठीक है, अब क्या दे रखा था? Q is younger than BMW. So that means in the first case you cannot have this as BMW, else you will not be able to place your Q. ठीक है, place ही नहीं कर पाओगे. So you can see this person P here in the first case will be the one who likes Hyundai here. ठीक है, तो इस केस में तो P का Hyundai फिक्स हो गया. Okay, and you should have your Q after your BMW, right? It is given here that Q is younger than BMW, so that means Q has to be born after your BMW, right? So let's say if this is your BMW, Q can be Tata, Q can be Fiat, right? If BMW is above, so Q can be others also. So you can see either of the two possibilities in the second case. So we will place that later. उसके बाद देखो क्या दे रखा है, 2 persons are born between N and Tata. So we have already placed your Tata here. So 1 2, this will be your N. In this case 1 2, this will be your N. Okay, no issues, दोनों possible है. उसके बाद number of persons born between S and BMW is same as between Q and Honda, right? So you can see here it is given number of persons born between S and BMW, right? S and BMW has to be same as between Q and Honda. So we will check that later. One person was born between R and the one who likes Honda. So you can see R and Honda के बीच में there has to be one person. Also it is given the age whose the age, right? The one whose age was in multiple of 4 likes Ford. Okay, तो Ford किसको पसंद है? जिसका multiple age कितना है? 4 का multiple है, right? So let's say if we now calculate, although yes, you can see that this is hint based on age. So you will have to find that who are the ones who are having age as a multiple of 4 in 2019. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर देखो 91 वाला कितना होगा? 91, 2001, 2011 and then 8 years. That means this is 28 years old, right? ये 28 हो जाएगा. तो ये 2 साल बड़ा है. That means this is your 30, right? This is 3 years old, so 33. This is how much? 7 years old, so you can see 40, right? This is 2 years old, so 42. Okay, this is 4 years old, so you can see 46. ठीक है, और ये कितना है? 73 से 67, you can see 6 years old, so you can see 52. Okay, so now which are the values which are a multiple of 4 here? देखो 4 का multiple कौन है? 30, 28 है, 30 तो नहीं है, 33 भी नहीं है, 40 है, 42 नहीं है, 46 भी नहीं है, 52 होता है क्या multiple? Yes, 52 is a multiple here. So you can see 52 is also there. So we have 3 possible values which are multiples of 3. ठीक है, so Ford has to be a multiple of 4, multiple of 4 here. So 3 values which are multiples of 4. So Ford has to be placed against one of them. So you can see Fiat और Hyundai तो already है. So Ford will be here in this case. Second वाले केस में भी देखो 40 is taken and 28 is also taken. So again you will have your Ford here only. ठीक है, ये Ford हो जाएगा. Now what was given? One person is born between R and Honda. ठीक है, Honda and R के बीच में there has to be one person. Now let's see where should we place your R and Honda. ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. So let's check it out, right? Let's see. If we place your R here, you cannot place your Honda. If you place your R here, again you can see you cannot place your Honda. So R here, Honda cannot be placed. So you will see the only possibility will be R here and Honda here. ठीक है, ये R Honda हो जाएगा. Similarly, second वाले केस में where should we place your R? If we place your R, Honda cannot be placed. If we place your R, Honda cannot be placed. If we place your R again, Honda cannot be placed. And if we place your R here, you can see again Honda cannot be placed. That means second case is now invalid. तो अब यहाँ पर बचा कौन सा है? You can see we are left with only one, that is your BMW. ठीक है, तो BMW यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. And now it was given that Q is younger than BMW. That means Q has to be here. तो Q आ गया. अब यहाँ पर देखो क्या दे रखा था. The number of persons born between S and BMW is same as between Q and Honda. So you can see we have two persons between Q and Honda, right? Q is here and Honda is here. So two persons between Q and Honda, that means we should have two persons between S and BMW. So 1, 2, this will be your S here. अब बचा कौन है? You can see we have M, N, O, right? So O is missing. So O will be the one who likes Fiat here, right? So he will be having the Fiat. So you can see this will be the final arrangement that you will be getting. I hope everybody got this right. ठीक है, तो कोई भी डाउट होता है अगर आपको तो आप उसको कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे मेंशन कर सकते हो. ठीक है, so after the session is over, I'll check out the comments. So if you guys have any doubts in here, I'll just answer them in the comment section. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर देखो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट था ये नोट. ठीक है, यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट द नोट्स दैट आर मेंशन्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. तो अगर क्वेश्चन में कोई नोट होता है तो प्लीज उसका ध्यान रखिएगा. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. अगेन अ स्लॉट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, चलो जल्दी से इसको ट्राई करो. अगेन यू हैव टू डू द सेम थिंग, दैट इज यू हैव टू कीप you have to stop the timer here. ठीक है, तो अभी इसको स्टॉप करिए, इसको ट्राई करिए. यू शुड नॉट टेक मोर देन 7 मिनट्स. 7 मिनट्स में ये क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. नॉट अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दिस विद इन द नेक्स्ट 7 मिनट्स एंड देन ट्राई. लेट्स सी दैट वेदर वी आर गेटिंग द राइट आंसर हियर और नॉट. ठीक है, देखो क्या दे रखा है. दिस इज अ स्लॉट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. सो 6 people appeared for an interview and were seated in a linear row facing the north. Each of them is having an interview in different time slots, which is either 30 minutes or 1 hour. तो 30 minutes या 1 hour का time slot है. और slots के बीच में there is no gap as well, right? They are consecutive in nature. Now what is given? The duration of U slot is 30 minutes. The slot of S ended 2 hours after R slot ending time, but was not 11:30. Okay. R slot started 2 hours before ending time of U slot. Q was third from the right end. So you can see we know that there are 6 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So Q is third from the right end. That means Q has to be here. ठीक है, ये Q होगा. So Q was third from the right end and his slot ended at 8:30. So you can see he is ending his slot at 8:30. So what are the possibilities for Q here? मान लो ये Q है, तो क्या क्या possibilities है? There are two possibilities here, that either his slot is starting at 8 or his slot is starting at 7:30. क्यों? क्योंकि जो slot duration है that is either 30 minutes or half an hour. ठीक है, 30 minutes और 1 hour. ठीक है, तो यही दो possibilities है. उसके बाद क्या दे रखा है? S was seated adjacent to T. The slot of the person seated second to the left of Q, that is this person, okay, started 1 hour before Q slot started. So you can see here in the first case, if Q is starting at 8, that means this person should be starting at 7. Here you can see he will be starting at 6:30. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों possibilities बन रहे because this person second to the left of Q should be starting the slot 1 hour before Q starting. ठीक है, अब क्या दे रखा है? P was to the immediate right of R and had a slot duration of 1 hour. U was seated at the leftmost end. So you can see U has to be here. Okay, so U was seated at the leftmost end and his slot started 3 hours later than the starting time of his neighbor. So you can see in the first case, if this person, U's neighbor, is starting at 7, that means he will be starting at 10 here. And he has to go till 10:30 because in the first line itself, it was given that U slot is of 30 minutes. ठीक है, अब सेकेंड वाला देखो, अगर ये 6:30 है, that means this has to be 9:30 here, right? ये 9:30 होगा, तो 9:30 to 10 हो जाएगा. I hope this is clear everybody. Okay, now let's quickly check whatever is remaining. अब जो भी बचा है ना उसको एक बार चेक करते हैं. Let's see what else is remaining here. ठीक है, so now it was given The slot of the person second to the left of Q, that is all done, right? P was seated immediate right of R. Okay. So it is given P is seated immediate right of R and has a slot of 1 hour duration. So we know this P has a 1 hour slot. Okay. जहां भी होगा 1 hour का slot होगा. Also it is given the slot of S ended 2 hours after R's ending time but not 11:30 a.m. And also R slot started 2 hours before the ending time of U slot. So you can see we know the ending time of U slot in both the cases. ठीक है, तो R के लिए क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? R slot started 2 hours before the ending time of U slot. So R के लिए क्या क्या possibilities है? You can see it is either 2 hours minus 10:30 or 2 hours minus 10. So either it has to be 8:30 in the first case or it has to be starting at 8 in the first case, second case. ठीक है, तो यहां पर देखो U is ending at 10:30. So it is given R slot started 2 hours before the ending time of U slot. So you can see either R is starting at 8:30 or 8. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वाले केस में देखो किधर प्लेस करोगे R को? You cannot place R here, right? Not possible because this is starting at 7. So you will see R will be here and this will be your P. ठीक है, अब इस केस में देखो R has to start at 8:30. You can see that's a possibility that R is starting at 8:30 and Q is ending at 8:30 here, so they can be consecutive in nature, right? So you can see 8:30 से ये शुरू हो रहा है. ठीक है, सेकेंड वाले केस में भी यही देखो, यहां पर ही आएगा R, so this will be your R and this will be your P and here R will be starting at 8. ठीक है, तो ये 8 पे शुरू होगा, right? This is starting at 8 here. But is it a possibility that R is starting at 8 here? क्या ये possible है? You can see it is not possible. Why? Because you can see ये जो Q का slot है ना, that is 7:30 to 8:30. अब अगर 7:30 to 8:30 Q का slot है, so how can R start at 8? 8 तो 7:30 से 8:30 के बीच में आ रहा है ना, तो अगर Q का 1 घंटे का slot है, nobody can be starting between your Q slot, right? तो दैट इज वाई दिस केस बिकम्स इनवैलिड हियर. तो फर्स्ट केस आपका वैलिड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर एवरीबडी. सो यू कैन सी वी हैव गॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ अरेंजमेंट हियर. अब देख लेते जो भी बचा है उसको एक बार चेक कर लेते. लेट्स सी. सो द स्लॉट ऑफ एस ended 2 hours after R slot ending. तो यहाँ पर देखो R is 8:30. It can end at 9, right? R की possibilities क्या हो सकती है? 8:30 to 9 और it can be 8:30 to 9:30. ठीक है, यही दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है. तो S के लिए क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है? S स्लॉट एंडेड 2 hours आफ्टर आवर्स एंडिंग. तो S का एंडिंग क्या हो सकता है? या तो 11 होगा या फिर 11:30 होगा. ठीक है, सो 11 या 11:30 यू कैन सी आइदर ऑफ द टू पॉसिबिलिटीज. तो S किधर आएगा? यू कैन सी S हैज टू बी हियर बिकॉज दिस स्लॉट सेकेंड पर्सन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट is starting at 7, so he cannot end at 11 or 11:30. ठीक है, ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो S इधर आएगा. सो T आपका यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. सो वी हैव प्लेस्ड एवरीबडी. अब सिर्फ टाइमिंग बचा हुआ है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. वी नो दैट S इज एंडिंग आइदर एट 11 और 11:30. ठीक है, उसको बाद में चेक करेंगे. और क्या दे रखा है एक बार चेक कर लेते. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी हैव S is adjacent to T. Done. The slot of the person second to the left of Q started 1 hour before Q slot. That is already done. P was seated immediate right of R and had a slot of 1 hour duration, right? So you can see P has to be a 1 hour duration slot. Okay. Now U was seated at the leftmost end and his slot started 3 hours after starting time of his neighbor. Okay. तो ये सब तो हो गया. Okay. So now let's check what is given here. Okay. So let's see. Also it was given that R slot ending, right? It is given here the slot S ended 2 hours after R slot ending but not at 11:30. तो यहाँ पर 11:30 तो मना ही कर दिया है. That means this is not a possibility. That means S has to end at 11. ठीक है, तो S कब end हो रहा है? 11 end हो रहा है. अब यहाँ पर 11 से पहले whether it will be 10, that is 10 to 11 or 10:30 to 11, that depends. ठीक है, तो हमारे जो slots है ना, they have to be consecutive in nature. You can see U was 10 to 10:30. मतलब अब S जो है वो 10 से तो हो नहीं सकता क्योंकि U is already there from 10. So we have to take it in continuation. 10 to 10:30 है तो next slot 10:30 to 11 होगा. So you can see this S will be 10:30 onwards. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर देखो what is given here. Let's see what all continuations do we have here. एक है 8 से 8:30, then we have 8:30 to something, right? We do not know what is exactly that. Then we have आफ्टर दैट वी हैव 10 to 10:30 एंड 10:30 to 11. अब यहाँ पर देखो टी क्या है, 7 है, राइट, 7 ऑनवर्ड्स. अब 7 से कौन सा हमें गैप कवर करना है? यू कैन सी 7 to 8 वी नीड टू कवर बिकॉज क्यू इज स्टार्टिंग एट 8 हियर. सो दिस विल बी योर 7 to 8. ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा? 7 to 8 हो जाएगा. ओके, so now you can see first slot is 7 to 8, right? Then we have 8 to 8:30. Then we have 8:30 to something, right? Then we have your 10 to 10:30 and 10:30 to 11. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर देखो कौन सा गैप मिसिंग है. यू कैन सी 8:30 से लेके 10 तक का गैप मिसिंग है. दैट इज अ 1.5 hour ड्यूरेशन. नाउ यू नो दैट P हैज टू बी अ 1 hour slot. ठीक है, तो ये क्या ही पॉसिबिलिटी होगा? दैट इज R विल बी 8:30 to 9. दिस इज अ 30-minute slot and this will be your 9 to 10, right? तो ये 9 to 10 हो गया, 8:30 to 9, 9 to 10, then 10 to 10:30, 10:30 to 11. So this will be the final arrangement that you should be getting here. Are we clear everybody? ये सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? So this was again a very nice question here, right? Based on slots. अच्छा question था, अच्छे लेवल का क्वेश्चन था. तो अगर आपको डाउट होता है तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे मेंशन जरूर करिएगा. ठीक है, so this is another question based on slots. Yesterday also we did one question of this type, right? तो ये slot based question भी आपके कई बार मेंस में देखे जाते हैं. ठीक है, चलो एक और क्वेश्चन जल्दी से कर लेते हैं. लेट्स सी. So if we can form a English meaningful word using the second and third alphabet of lower, so you can see we have to take OW. And first and fourth alphabet of fowl. So you can see F and L. Which of the following will be third alphabet of the newly formed word? So you can see what are the possible words. You can see we can have flow, we can have wolf, right? So we are getting at least two cases. Flow भी बन रहा है, wolf भी बन रहा है, FOWL fowl भी बन जाएगा. So you can see a lot of possible words are there. That means you can see the answer has to be Y because mark Y as your answer if more than one such word can be formed. So answer इसका क्या आएगा? Y आएगा. Okay. I hope we were clear with all the questions that we have discussed in for today. Okay. तो एक क्वेश्चन जल्दी से होमवर्क के लिए ले लो. ये आपका होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है जिसका आंसर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हो. So this is the question here. That if n is the resultant of first row, what will be the resultant of row 2? ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन करिएगा. So I hope you enjoyed today's session, guys. We are coming up with your LICAAO means batch in the paid session as well. So do check it out. आज ही से शुरू हो रहा है. आज मेरा फर्स्ट क्लास था यहाँ पर. So do check it out. We had reverse syllogism, mains level syllogisms. Next class onwards, we will be having a lot of classes for the means as well, right? So do check it out. If you want to purchase anything on Olive Board, you can always use my coupon code Nikita, NIKITA, for that 5% extra discount. ठीक है, तो अगर 5% extra discount चाहिए आपको Olive Board पे तो use my coupon code Nikita, NIKITA. Okay. And also I hope you enjoyed today's session. अगर कोई भी डाउट होता है, you can contact me, you can talk to me over Telegram. My channel is Reasoning by Nikita. तो ये चैनल जरूर से ज्वाइन करना. ठीक है, so Reasoning by Nikita, NIKITA. Please join this particular group, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's session. In case you have doubts, please talk to me over Telegram. I'll be happy to help you out with it. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you found these questions interesting. In case of doubts, you can talk to me. You can mention your comments in the comment section below as well. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again with another session. So please take care, stay safe, have a great day. And yes, please do not go without liking the session, and also do share it with your friends here. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon with another session. Please take care, stay safe, have a great day. Thank you so much.